So till the last video we have modeled all these parts for a model assembly. So in this video we will assemble everything. Okay, let's move it a little aside. Okay, let's start with whatever the parts we have. We'll try to assemble them. Okay, you can see this part. We don't see the assembly file. We'll try to uh, join here only. Okay, this part 40 diameter and this is 40 diameter. Okay, I can say that it will inserted in this. Okay, I'm going to using that concentricity relation, and these two faces are I need to touch. So what I'll use the coincidence command again. The first one is okay. The next one, so this is having 36 diameter and this is also 36. So select this cylindrical area and this cylindrical area. Sorry, select again. You can see the cylindrical concentric option. Okay, it is done. Then let's move it a little right. Select this circle and this concentric. Okay, next I think we have some bearing, right? We have one bearing here. OD is 35. What is the OD of this? No, this is not OD. Let's make it transparent. We'll see the inner components. Okay. Okay, we'll take the help of. Okay. Let's make section here. Okay, click on OK and 17.5. This is also 17.5. Okay, the bearing is fine. Next, this shaft has to concentric. Okay. Okay, concentric. So insert this face in this face. Use the width command. That's it. Okay, and then is this 8 mm? Yeah, 8 mm. So select this and this coincidence. Sorry, concentrate. Insert this face and this face. Use the width command. Okay, and then we'll be having things like this way. Select this and this. Use the concentricity relation. Okay, and then here obviously. Okay, I'll delete one constraint which is given. So within all the constraints I can see by clicking on this view mates option. So you can see I given already on concentricity relation. I'll delete this. Okay, okay, I should not delete that. So let it be. Okay, now we have one keyway, right? So here it is. So that will definitely comes in this way. Okay, we'll assemble it reverse direction. That's fine. Set this face, this and this width. Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay, what we can do, select this and this, concentric. That's it. Okay, where I think is 19 mm diameter. One circle we will see it here. So 20. So we did two circlets, right? So where does one more circlet go? So which is a small one, we could not use it here. So that means this is a big slip circlet only till comes here. So okay, so this face, this face, and this width. Sorry, Control 7. Okay, now I have constrained this properly. The question is where it will come. Okay, let's search about it. Okay, we'll take help of this assembly. Put it. Okay, here it is. Where this and this concentric. Okay, okay. Next, circlet we can use for this only. Okay, okay. Few more parts are there. Yeah, understood. There's a gear, right? The screw definitely for here only. The screw is for here only. Okay, so this washer we need to use here. This spring washer we could not use directly. Okay. Okay. So where is washer here? So make sure isolate, drag it out, and exit isolate. Okay. Why this and this? 27, 22. I don't know why these two are. Okay, let's see about it. Bush and then upside. Section 8. Click on OK. Remove this transparency. Okay. Okay, I can understand that. Don't come here. Yeah, but it will come here. Okay. It's like oil seal. Okay. Okay. Okay, this bush will come as a spacer between this bearing and this. So yeah. Okay, that's all about, guys. We have finished everything, every assembly. Okay, let's give different colors for all this so that it is easy to identify which part it is, like that. So let's colors. It's not green color. Okay, the shock I will choose different color. Okay, okay. I'm not I'll choose this color. Okay, then Control Shift C to copy appearance and Control Shift B to paste the appearance. Okay, and then this. Now I will go for the colors. Okay. Okay, okay, like this way you can able to complete this work, guys. Okay, let's make a small color for this also. Now I'll okay. Now it is easy to identify which part it is, right? So yeah, that's it guys. That's for this video.